We have all envisioned a future of flourishing technologies. HPC applications are found in our everyday life. To secure success in this key arena, FSP Group has launched its latest redundant power module, the FSP 2400/20FM. The FSP 2400/20FM meets Intel's CRPS standard and features an 80+ platinum certified efficiency and a competitive high power density up to 74.2 watts per cubic inch. Products of this product line are identical in size, so that power supply units can be replaced without changing rack size, helping you save precious time and money. The power supply supports HVDC input with parameters adjustable to your server rack needs. Additionally, this product is compliant with the PM Bus communication protocol and Smart On function. It also meets the latest safety regulations worldwide, making it the best choice for business users. We continue to drive power supply applications via advanced technologies in order to realize our vision for performance, efficiency, and sustainability. This is Power Never Ends. This is FSP 2400/20FM.